One, two, three, the fastest picker in the West. A cool desperado named Green Tools, riding his best. Riding hard with Joey through the sunset's glow, smoking cigars that cut away hideouts where they go. Sheriff James Barton on the trail, he don't rest. Lock pickers community, putting skills to the test. Outlaw riding free beneath the blazing saddle sky, eating beans by campfire light, hear the harmonica cry. Crossing borders, king of New York City's old town, making live videos, happy vibes around. Medical locks can't hold him, hangman's noose won't clang. Stagecoach thunder rolls as he rides through the game. Money calls bucking horses, running from the posse's chase. Not too dead, D-Mac and Cedar keep steady pace. Joey bucks wild, KFC trail dust in the air. Cutaway gang ride strong with tales beyond compare. Sunset's fading slow, Wild Wild West serenade. Make my day harmonica songs echo from the glade. Outlaw riding free beneath the blazing saddle sky, eating beans by campfire light, hear the harmonica cry. Crossing borders, king of New York City's old town, making life